welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tina. Yes, I'm back again with another video. This video is all about giving a big chop to my hair. Yes, and at the end of this video I'm going to be telling you why I have to do this, because it's a promise. I have to fulfill my promise. Yes, I have to fulfill my promise. Or before I cut down my hair, I'm still going to be sharing you a wonderful product that is very good to grow hair very fast. When I cut my hair, it wasn't up to 3 years now. I gave the last cutting to my hair. Yes, a very big cutting as well, like the one that I'm still going to be doing today. If you are that person that grow natural hair, because the product gives a very good moisturizing to the hair. If you know that your baby have that afro hair or that very dry hair, because one of my baby have Africa's hair, yes, that very freezing hair and very thick hair. This is the Tiri product. Yeah, this is the Tiri shampoo that I have ever tried so far for my kids hair that really work perfectly. Not that I haven't tested other products. Other products that I have used so far, they are not good at all, but this is the Tiri product that I have ever used that is very good for afro hair, for dry hair, and so on. Especially this one is made for kids. As you can see, it is made for kids. Yes, this one is for kids as well, and this one is for kids as well. This one is made for kids only. Yes, this one is from Shea Moisture. This one is a very good shampoo. It's a very good shampoo, and this one is a kids organic, and this is from Cantu. And the one that I have used so far that is very good is this Shea Moisture. It's very good. Yes, if you are looking for something for children hair, these three products are so wonderful. I'm going to be leaving all the products that I mentioned in this video. I'm going to be leaving them in the description box below as well. This is the condition that I have used so far. Yes, this one is made with mango and carrot. This condition is everything. Yes, it's the best when you apply it to kids' hair that is very freezing or very dry. It moisturizes that hair. This condition right here is so very good, and I have tried other products but it wasn't really working fine. This is the only condition that I have used for my baby hair that detangle my baby hair very free, very quickly. Yes, and before I give my baby protective hairstyle, this is the product that I use to detangle my baby hair. Yes, this one is coiling butter cream. It's very good for that very freezing hair, and this one is for Cantu. It's so very good as well. This one is so very good, but this one is freezing free. Yes, this one is freezing free. These two products right here, if you want something that wants to detangle your baby hair so very fast, these two right here is the best. And for me, and the product that I have used so far to grow my hair is also from Shea Moisture, which I'm still going to be using after this big chop down. Is this Shea Moisture and this Cantu. Yes, I'm still going to stick to these two products right here. These two products have done so wonderful to my hair. Is these two products that I have used so far, and I just want to show you how I use them. This is the shampoo, and this is the condition. Yes, this is the best that I have used from that condition. I have used other also, but this one is the best. I love these two products right here. I love these two products right here. They are so very wonderful. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner that I have used so far for my natural hair, that grow my natural hair so very fast and so very healthy. And also, this is the conditioner and deep and treatment mask that I have used from Cantu that is so very good also. Yes, when you are looking for something to moisturize your hair, to grow your hair thick as well, these two products is made for dry hair, especially for dry hair. This very one is made for dry hair and to moisturize your hair very well. This very two product. But as for this one make my hair grow. Yes, I feel it that this one make my hair grow very fast. Yeah, this one also help to grow hair also, is what I like about this very one. And this very one give that hair a good balance. Yes, give that hair a good balance. Yes, using the mask and the conditioner and the shampoo together, using it in a range is so very good. You can even combine them together, they are so very wonderful as well. As a dry hair, if you are looking for something to grow your hair, to make your hair look more healthy and so on, these two products are so very wonderful. I have also tried this Garnier mask also. I have tried their product so far for my hair. It is so very good, which you can find it in any supermarket around you. You can find this very one any supermarket around you. Yes, this one is so very good compared to Shea Moisture and Cantu. This very one is also similar to those one. If you are just looking for simple things that you can find everywhere, Garnier is the best. Yeah, you can use the range of this one for your hair also. But if you want to pick anyone, you have to pick anyone that wrote intensive. The one that wrote any reparation intensive is the best for dry hair. So it's a very wonderful product also. These are the two products that I normally use to detangle my hair. This one is from Shea Moisture and this one is for Cantu. This one is from Shea Moisture. This one they are so very wonderful to detangle hair. It is so very good. These two products is what I use always. Yes, this Vatika and Amla oil have done wonder to my hair. These two oil right here, I normally use it overnight for my hair growth. Can you just imagine, these two oil is a magic oil that you can use to grow your hair so very fast, but like magic. Yes, these two oil, as you can see, I don't have much left on this oil. This one is Vatika Naturals, which it is mixed with coconut oil, castor oil and henna oil. Yeah, this coconut oil really helped me a lot to grow my hair like magic with this very one right here. I just take a little bit of this one, I take a little bit of this one, I mix them together, I apply it to my hair. After applying it to my hair, I use this shower cap. I use this shower cap to cover my hair. Then I put my night treatment cap. I use my tie to tie it down. I use these three things. This one is so very good to use. Really, if you want to grow your hair like magic, I will advise you to stick to these two products, this coconut rich oil and this Amla oil. This is what really helped me to grow my hair like magic. If you want to grow your hair so very fast, try and do overnight treatment. Overnight treatment is what really make my hair grow more faster. And also, this is my oil mist that I normally use for my hair also, which I'm still going to be using it. Oh, I mix a lot of oil, nothing less than 10 to 15 oil I mix together to get this oil growth. Yes, I use this one to massage my hair whenever I wash my hair. It also stimulates that hair growth. This very one right here that I'm holding, you can either use the silicone or the electric one. This one is the electric one. Yes, you can see it vibrates a lot. It's also good to stick to any scalp massage, any scalp massage, it is also good. What I have shown you so far are so very wonderful. It is what I have been using since 3 years now that I have used to grow this my natural hair. It is because that it is a promise that I'm going to be cutting my hair, which I know that I can recover my hair in some months or in a year or 2 years. I can be able to have this hair back again. Before I give a big shop to my hair, I'm just going to tell you the reason why I'm doing this, and the main reason why the family cuts down the hair is that during school holiday I was working. I couldn't be able to take care of my children at home. I decided to put my children in a place where there will be a safe playing ground where normally children go and play, and I left my kids there. Over there, it is where my second baby pick up a lice. Yes, before I realized that it was a lice, they has gone so far inside her hair before I realized that it was a lice. Overnight she can't sleep and so on. I haven't experienced that type of thing in my life, which I couldn't notice that it was a lice inside her hair. She normally scratch her hair. I washed her hair several times and so on, but I couldn't detect that it was a lice. That was the reason why I cut down everything. Lice keep on growing and growing and growing. It didn't stop. I keep on treating. I can even show you all what I have used so far. I can show you what I have used so far. This is what I have used so far to treat the lice, but the lice was just still inside the hair. The lice doesn't want to go from inside the hair, because if they lay an egg inside the hair and they are going to produce more lice. I normally wash their hair with this product right here every 2 days. Every 2 days. This product is what I use to wash their hair every 2 days. Still yet the lice doesn't want to leave my baby hair alone. Then I decided to cut everything down. Yes, it was so very painful. As for me, as a baby girl, this is the product that I have used so far, and the product wasn't working at all. To tell many moms over there, if your baby is having lice, the best way to overcome that lice is by cutting the baby hair. No matter the product that you are going to use, the lice is still going to be inside. It is because of lice I cut down my baby hair, and I give them a promise that I'm still going to be cutting my hair as well. Not that I have the lice, I don't have the lice. It is because of the promise I make. I have to fulfill my promise. That is the reason why I am cutting down my hair today. Anyway, I'm going to be cutting down the hair right now. 1, 2, 3. I didn't look like a man anyway, putting my earring, wearing my makeup. Anyway, I'm so very happy to cut my hair. Really, I don't regret cutting my hair this time, especially this quarantine period. Yes, it's so very stressful for me. I'm so very happy that I have my hair cut. I hope that this video helps a lot. Thank you very much for watching to this extent, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.